Okay, we're in position now of where we're going to auger. So the hill slopes from where I'm standing to the auger, and past it is going downhill. So since I do have the hydraulics on the tractor, I still do have adjustment left and right to get the auger bits level. So you have, if you have the turnbuckle on there still, you probably might want to turn the tractor the other direction, so because the auger pivots on its own this direction. So by stabbing the point in the ground where you want it and then moving the tractor forward or backwards a little bit to get it pretty close to level is all you have to do. But anyways, I have adjustment both ways essentially. So right now it's pretty close to level. So quick thing on the John Deere tractor, if you want to use the PTO without having to sit in there, you have to, fire everything up without, I'm sorry, you don't have to start the tractor, but you can't be sitting on it when you initiate the PTO and then get off. If you get off, it will shut the engine down and the entire tractor. So basically, I'll just reach up and pull the PTO on. I have a little perch to set you guys on here. You could just barely see the ground. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not, but you'll kind of just see what I'm doing. And this is basically really hard limestone that we're going into. So sometimes it's really fun doing this in this because it doesn't want to dig. But you'll see how it goes. All right, let's set you down. All right, though, so there we go. That's the basics of it. I'll take the shovel and just knock that off there real quick. But there's a little bit of loose dirt in the bottom there. Dang, sorry if you can't see here. Well, let's see here. I don't know, it's probably approximately 30 to 36 inches deep there, but once I dig it out, it'll be a little bit deeper, but that's plenty for what I'm doing with it. So anyways, I got 4 more of these to do, or actually no, 11 more of these to do. So see you guys later. Bye.